Welcome back. You can already count from 1 to 20, but today we go big. You will learn count in Russian all way to 1 million. In that table you can see the number, Russian word of this number and pronunciation. So the first number is 10, is 10. 10, you need to remember this number, 10. The next one is 20. And now you can see the number 2, which means 2, and suffix dcat. So 2 and suffix dcat. In tenths, you can see the number base, and suffix. Dcat, or 10. So in next one is 30, is 30. So you can see the suffix dcat and number base 3. Next one you need to remember 40, 40. You need to remember this number. Next one is 50. So you can see again 5, which means 5, and suffix 10. Next one is 60. The suffix 10 and the number base 6, which means 6. Next one is 70. 7, which means 7, and suffix 10. Next one is 80. 10 suffix and number base 8, which means 8. And next one is 90. You need to remember this word. 90. And next one is 100. 100. Let's repeat again slowly. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Notice how from 50 to 80, 10 share. That's simply and like you saying 5, 10, 8, 10, 6, 10. See? You don't need to memorize. Just build the rhythm. Hundreds are very easy. The first part tells us the number, and the adding part, sot, mean 100. So let's see. The first is 100, which means 100. Next one is 200, is 2, 2, 2, and 200. Next one is 300. 300. 3 is mean 3, 100. 300. 400. 4 is mean 4 and 100 is 100. 400. 500. 500. 500. 600. 700. 800. 900. So let's say everything together and slowly. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 100, 200, 300. Got it? Let's go higher. 1000 is 1000. 1000 is 1000. 1000. The 2000s, it will be 2000. 2 is mean 2000. 2000. 3000 will be 3000. 3000. 4000 will be 4000. 4000. 5000 will be 5000. 5000. And the next one is million. 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 Which means a million. 1 million. And for a million, easy. Million. 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 Same as English, just with the Russian sound. For more, change the first word. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000. Now let's mix what you know. Tens plus 1 is 21. 35. Hundreds plus tens plus ones. Easy Russian math. So let's say these numbers together. 21. 21. 35. 35. 68. 68. 124. 124. 124. 900. 99. 999. 1345. 1345. That's how Russians really count. You have just unlocked the logic. Let's go fast. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 1000, million. Bravo! You can count to a million in Russian. Amazing work today. You know now all Russian numbers from 1 to 1 million. In lesson number 12, we will use these numbers to talk about age and real life situations. Don't forget to like, subscribe and keep counting. Увидимся скоро. Увидимся скоро.